j'étais en train de jouer à celui-là. Et bizarrement, il y avait la gueule du mec qui jouait dans Breaking Bad, c'est bizarre. Tu es dans le fossé là. Ah, j'en étais là. Sur PS4, il est bien plus fluide. C'était ta mère.
What did you see, Clem? Is that guy gonna shoot? Fuck you, Luke. You've been on my case the whole week. And why do you think that is, Nick?
I don't know. It happened so fast.
But you were right there. Either way, you could have hit one of us. Yeah, but I didn't. Look, I know he was close to you, Nick, but you don't fucking talk about him.
You think he was Carver?
I don't know. No, I don't think so. He fell off the damn bridge?
We'll have to keep moving.
Can't. Wait a minute.
Fine. Luke, can I talk to you alone?
Mais non, tenez bon, full screen, connard. The fuck, what have you done?
Hey, Clem, you got anything to eat? Beck's dying there.
Alvin, I told you I'm fine. Sorry, I'm out.
Wish we still have those juice boxes.
Yeah, me too. That man said he had food in the station.
Mind checking it out? Maybe we can spend the night here. A little small for us, though.
He may have been lying about the food.
It's worth checking out.
Pourquoi t'y vas pas, connard?
C'est ça la question. Mais ça qui me fait marrer, c'est surtout cela. Ouais, t'aurais pu faire ça, t'aurais pu faire ça. Mais putain, connard, j'ai 11 ans. Qu'est-ce que tu veux que je foute à 11 ans?
C'est pas comme si c'était la gamine de Last of Us, quoi.
Voilà quoi, ce serait Gaming de Last of Us, ça serait Ellie, je dis pas, mais là. Voilà quoi.
Une gamine.
Thanks a lot for backing me up there.
J'ai rien dit.
I'm sure they're talking about me right now. Dude, you've got me in danger to the group. Who was that guy? I swear. It looked like he was holding you guys up. I figured he was with Carver.
He was just a guy.
Yeah. If Alvin is in front of me, he takes that shot. What a fucking mess. Maybe I am listening. I don't know anymore.
Mais pourquoi vous lui parlez comme si c'était un adulte de 20 ans quoi? Elle sait même pas ce qu'elle fait elle-même.
Damn.
What's wrong?
I left my watch back at the cabin. It was peace. He gave it to me.
Alors je comprends pas si je peux même pas écrire des mots là.
You know what?
Je peux même pas écrire, c'est... Je peux même pas taper au clavier, je sais pas pourquoi.
T'es pas connecté?
Bah si. Bah... C'est bien moi. Donc qu'est-ce qu'il y a dedans? Putain mais sérieusement quoi. En fait la gamine c'est une fusion entre Ellie et puis Lara Croft.
Ouais.
Tu peux la faire parler comme une grosse saloperie hein. Il y a un passage où j'étais avec le mec là tout à l'heure qui fait ouais moi je prends le gros, toi tu prends le petit en parlant des zombies et tu pouvais dire non c'est moi qui prends le gros. Je lui ai fait puis il fait t'es malade. Peut-être bien. Rien à foutre. Putain bon abruti quoi, sérieux.
Et là, les pièges.
I don't see a key around here.
Non mais
The man probably had it.
t'as pas un marteau, connasse?
Appuie sur les machins sur les côtés.
Non mais c'est une autiste, cherche pas.
C'est un couteau.
Oh je le prends.
Non, elle va le laisser là. Ah non, putain, j'ai eu peur.
Putain j'ai un cut mon pote.
Enfin, un couteau en plastoc.
Feels pretty good.
Puis,
Ouais tu l'as bien en main ouais. Pardon, excusez-moi. J'ai des petits problèmes avec ça. Faut que j'arrête la drogue. Oui, allez. C'est lent comme jeu.
Donjons et Dragons.
Quoi? Oh?
Man, not that we had it bad. Look at this dump. Guess he did have food. Man, fuck Nick. Nick's lost a lot of his people, that's for sure.
He was trying to help us.
Yeah, and someone died. I ain't no judge. That's straight up murder in my book. I mean, you ever know anyone would do a thing like that?
Ouais.
Putain, mais c'est une gamine, foutez-lui la paix.
Actually, yeah.
What happened?
A woman in her group. Her dad died, and then she shot another guy.
Damn. What you do?
We left her behind.
Damn.
Attends. Ah bon? Donc t'as pris... Bah non, ça n'a pas pu prendre les résultats que j'avais sur ma PS3 vu que j'ai pas fait le transfert.
That's funny.
Chelou.
She looks just like you.
Ta gueule?
Hey.
Ça veut dire quoi ça? Tu veux que je fume mes pêches?
Well, she's even for two. You think we can keep this just between us? I hate to even say it, you know, but... And I never go against the group.
Rebecca can have it. I won't say anything.
Thanks, Clementine. It's a shame.
Connard.
Nick was a good guy. He's still a good guy.
Bon, je vais la faire à la Fanta. De toute façon, il est noir. Donc il va mourir dans pas longtemps parce qu'il est noir.
Les gars, faut trouver le sweat.
Mais on va pas m'envoyer le SWAT, c'est GGN. C'est dire que GGN chez nous, ils sont paumés.
C'est lui qui trouve ta maison.
Ma maison pour l'instant. Par contre, des Twitch, quand je vais être en septembre et je vais être tout seul, ça va envoyer du pâté. Et pour ceux qui regardent, il y aura des Twitch, peut-être, je dis bien peut-être, sur Phantom Pain. Mais c'est peut-être des Twitch sur Phantom Pain parce que c'est un jeu que je vais être obligé de faire en long, en large et en travers avant de le faire. Si ça fait pas comme dans la vidéo de Ground Zero où tu peux pas voir la scène de fin parce que ça coupe, parce que c'est une scène soi-disant secrète. Et qu'à mon avis, ils vont faire pareil à tous les nouveaux jeux. Toutes les scènes cinématiques, ça va être un mode comme ça.
Be careful.
We've been on the road for 5 days. My back is done. Be careful.
Bah t'es qu'à t'asseoir là.
Tu fermes ta gueule, tu t'assois.
Doesn't look like anybody's home. Damn. Nailed down tight. I'll check around front.
I'll go with you.
Be good to know if anybody's actually back there. Probably get a better view from up top. You have an easier time getting up there. You feel like taking a look? It'd be just like climbing a treehouse.
I had a treehouse once.
There you go.
I hated it.
J'ai détesté. Là, ce qui marque qu'il y a 3 viewers, alors qu'en fait, il y en a que un, il n'y a que moi.
Just take it slow. And I'll catch you if you fall. Probably.
Ça, c'était de l'humour de merde.
When I was a kid, we used to jump rooftops downtown. Now that was fun.
That sounds stupid.
C'est comme ça qu'on fera la gloire.
Yeah, it was. The trick was not to look down, though. Oh, you're fine. You're fine. Just look at me, okay? You're fine.
Là, on regarde pour en bas.
Slow down. Store a second, okay?
I know I'm fine.
Just trying to help.
Putain, tu as ta grande gueule.
Oh, il y a un gros piaf. Ça te fait pas peur le piaf? J'ai te cuté moi.
Made it.
See anything?
Oh. Je sais, mais je regarde en bas. Parce que je suis chiant.
I can see the bridge.
Non, des gens.
Il y a des gens là.
Wait, I see something.
What is it?
A light. Wait, there's another. Luke.
M'abandonne pas, connard.
Mais qu'est-ce qu'il a fait? Il y a des gens.
Je crois qu'il est lumiérophobe.
Glisse pas parce qu'il y a personne pour te rattraper, chérie. Arrive en discretos. Et contourner.
Listen, everyone, just stay calm.
Are you trying to run?
Excuse me, honey, but do I look like a fucking thief?
Everyone calm down. Hey, man, you calm the fuck down. Sarah, get behind us. Tell us who you are. We ain't here to rob nobody. Put the gun down. Fuck that. Whoa.
Please, just do what he says.
this guy? Clementine?
J'embrasse ou j'embrasse pas? J'embrasse. Parce que c'est quand même un... Il est très très con. Son gosse est très très con, mais t'es quand même content de
Bah,
le
il est
revoir.
très mort en même temps, son
Voilà, son gosse, il s'est fait très très... C'était le plaisir en fait de caler une balle dans la gueule à son gosse, quoi.
He's been with you. We can talk inside. Great. I just started dinner.
Are you sure you don't mind?
It's gonna storm soon. Please, come in.
Heureusement qu'il y a la naine qui est là, hein, putain. Il y a un sauve la vie à tout le monde derrière, un sauve la vie à lui, putain, mais oh, sérieux.
Voilà, c'est un tout pour gentil.
Bah,
Voilà.
enfin, je veux un ami. On vous laisse encore un petit peu de temps, même si je suis tout seul à discuter comme un con. Puis on le reverra peut-être en retranscription sur YouTube. Bon, c'est pas le temps que ça prend.
C'est clair.
Enfin, pour l'instant que je suis ici. Donc ça, je savais pas, il va me falloir minimum 4 heures.
Been staying with us for several weeks. Used to be a ski lodge, obviously, so we had plenty of food. And believe it or not, we still get some power from that wind turbine out front. We tend to keep most of the lights off at night to avoid drawing attention. But after we found this stuff in storage, we couldn't resist making an exception. What's funny? Oh, nothing, Walt. Walter here's one smart son of a bitch. Makes a mean can of beans, too. Well, why don't you two catch up while I get some dinner started? Please, make yourself.
The hell we will.
Yeah,
I'm holding on to my rifle.
Thanks.
You're our guest here. There's no need to
Tell him to put his gun down then.
Kenny?
You
You vouch for these people, Clem? If you tell me they're good, then I'm us.
You were the one waving the gun around, man.
We're cool,
okay?
Hey, we're cool. We're cool.
They're cool. Dad, look! A Christmas tree.
Not now, Sarah.
Isn't it great? We found it all in storage.
It's amazing.
Non mais... Il faut pas vous fuser à l'entrée. C'est tous complètement impossible, complètement attardé. Il y a des zombies dehors.
Et ben comme ça, ils sont arrivés à là, parce qu'ils arrivent à l'entrée pour prendre leurs armes.
If you all follow me, I'll show you where you can sleep.
Mais putain, mais on me sépare pas d'une arme en pleine apocalypse zombie.
Fuck the logique.
Même si t'es tout le monde dans l'abri, quoi.
Écoutez les commentaires de Dr. Trod sur l'apocalypse zombie.
Oh, ils méritent tous de crever.
C'est votre ressentiment, Dr. Trod?
Ah oui, quand on est con, on mérite de crever.
On en connaît beaucoup qui devraient mériter de mourir alors.
Putain, il y aura pas cette cimetière, crois-moi.
Je crois que ouais. Par contre, je pense qu'on sera dans les premiers à y aller, quoi.
Place VIP. Hein.
Ouais.
Oh shit, I didn't mean to. It's just hard not to think about it.
Ouais, comme ton fils.
Vas-y, je peux. Il est mort à cause de moi. Lui, il m'a sauvé. Ouais, c'est cool.
He saved me.
I knew he would. That guy had a fire in him, sure as shit.
J'avais
Toi, comme ton fils.
Arrête, le pauvre vieux. On se voit qu'il t'entend pas.
My son, well, he was there for me.
Mais normal. N'importe qui aurait été là pour buter ton fils, putain. Il était trop,
mais ça, c'est
il était trop chiant.
I was with Krista and Need. Oh, Need. Well, Krista and I were together for a while. These guys caught us. She's gone.
Ce que je comprends pas, c'est que ça veut dire que.
I wish I could have found you sooner.
Where have you been?
Oh hell, all over after Savannah.
How did you get out?
9 ans, mon premier chevreuil. Pardon.
I gave her a hand.
Mo Savannah reste avec la musique de DCG, ça
For a minute there, it wasn't looking too good for old Kenny.
Voilà.
Long story short, I got lucky. Real lucky. Spent
Get
a long
lucky.
time alone after that. It's, and then I met Sarita, thank God. Gosh, it's great to have you back.
You two catching up?
Clem, this is my girl, Sarita. Ain't she beautiful?
Nice to meet you, Clementine.
Hey, Walt, where's Matthew? He's still out there rooting around? Of course he is. Well, I'll start dinner.
Carlos, right? Mind if I steal your daughter for a secret mission?
Stay in sight, sweetie.
Can we do anything to help? Could use a hand outside. We got a lot of supplies to bring in before that storm hits. Sure. Clem, why don't you help Walt with dinner?
J'aime pas ta gueule de vieux pervers. Puis surtout, ça fait penser que ça me ressemble un peu quand je suis mal rasé.
Il a oublié sa femme, hein. Et son gosse. Hein.
Ça quoi? Ça quoi?
Settling in well enough?
Yeah, thanks.
Excellent. Want to help me prepare a little dinner?
Non, je suis là pour rien foutre.
So how do you know Kenny?
Il a voulu me
He and
tuer.
Sarita have been a huge help. Matthew and I barely knew what to do around here the first week.
It's a long story.
Pourquoi elle a une voix, on dirait la même voix?
Connecting with people.
Parce que c'est moi qui parle avec une grosse voix
I
grave.
don't know what I'd do without Matthew.
Ce serait un zombie qui serait en train de te cuisiner, c'est tout. Ah putain, ils sont nazes.
I managed just fine.
Now you really do sound like one of my students.
And you sound like a teacher.
I'll take that as a compliment. Thank you.
Non, non, tu es juste un branleur qui a toujours envie d'apprendre aux autres, t'as envie de te frapper, c'est... Putain!
I'm almost done. Would you do me the honor of tasting the first course, madam?
Pourquoi il passe un cadeau
What is this?
Le Walton Surprise, an autumnal legume salad with a peach roux. It's peaches and beans. That's all we got. Huh. Striking resemblance. Anyway, I'll take it from here.
Ok, toi t'es con.
Récupère ton arme.
Comment t'as su? Elle commence à crever de faim, elle a pas bouffé depuis 2 jours. Là.
Bon, en même temps, c'est pas comme si on avait besoin.
Ah si, attends.
Cousin Jared's concert, October 13th, 1998.
Non.
Crazy. Reminds me of school.
Je veux pas aller voir cette pelouse, moi.
Putain, c'est pas du tout dirigiste. Hein.
Non, du tout. C'est pas linéaire du tout. Parce que j'aime bien, c'est qu'elle fait tout un décalage pour revenir.
Vous savez qu'il y a des zombies là.
En même temps, c'est parce que les zombies, il faut qu'ils les buter.
He said, you take this and string them up over there.
Ouais, je sais pas.
Je vois que j'ai que ça à foutre d'accrocher les boules.
before. It must be incredible to see him again. When I met him, well, he's so different now.
So, how'd you meet Kenny?
I
I found him holed up in an old restaurant, if you can believe it. Hold up.
You
You should have seen his beard then. Perfect. Now we just need the topper.
We always had an angel on top of our tree.
Oui, mais j'ai pas t'accroché en haut,
My family
chérie.
didn't celebrate Christmas, but I still love the
Putain, t'es juif, toi. Tu vas mourir aussi.
Ou pas.
Pourquoi? Lui, la baie vitrée, les zombies pourraient traverser la baie comme ils veulent. Tu crois que je peux mettre une bûche, une bûche brûlante sur le...
De leur gueule. Faut comprendre que le danger est à l'intérieur.
Non, c'est ça le pire. Le danger vient pas de l'intérieur pour une fois.
What a funny little guy.
Encore un artichaut.
Les rideaux se ferment encore la rigueur, il a.
Can't be sure.
It's been a week, man. We gotta be out of the woods.
We can't
Can't
be
be
sure.
sure.
They
They
might
might
be
be
tracking
tracking
us.
us.
Tracking? What do you think they are? Ninjas?
Black Ninja.
Clem, Luke said you saw some people in the valley.
People? Way down there. How?
She's got binoculars, genius.
I saw lights
Which way did they go?
back into the woods.
We
Cannot
cannot
take any
chances.
chances.
We
Leave it dawn.
But we're safe here for tonight, right?
Bah, avec les armes à l'antenne, non?
Talk to that man Walt, right?
What
What
did he say?
You
You
didn't
didn't
tell him anything about us, did you?
We
You
have to be careful.
He mentioned someone else.
Someone
Someone
else.
else.
Who?
Who?
His friend. His name is Matthew.
Look, I don't care what that man said. We're staying here tonight.
Just
Just
talk
talk
to the rest of them.
They
They
trust
trust
you.
See what you can find out. I'm gonna go find
Luke.
Honey, I don't feel so good.
What's wrong?
I just need something to drink.
You got it. I'll be right back.
Tiens, là, tu veux un briquet? Tu nous mets les étoiles.
Les anges, c'est pour les pécnos.
That's nice, I guess.
Beautiful. I used to love this time of year. You know, now that your friends are here,
Après, alors l'autre elle va me faire la gueule parce que j'ai pas mis un ange sur le du sapin. Seul.
Connard.
honestly, it's dangerous to be this kind. They can't help it. Wait until you meet Matthew. He's a real character.
What does Matthew look like?
Oh, he's a handsome man. Little shorter than Walter. He should be back soon. Clem, I want to ask you, does Kenny seem different to you? I didn't know him before, and well, I'm curious. He has good days and bad days like everyone else.
He seems like the same old kitty to me.
Oh, well, that's good.
Well,
You three have been busy.
Kenny, isn't it great?
I got it.
I think I can manage, Ken.
I said I got it.
Always has to play the gentleman. But I'll tell you, when I met him, he couldn't lift a fly. Why don't you go see if your friends are ready for dinner, Clementine?
T'en as marre là? T'en as marre de voir des cons?
Oh putain, oui.
Voilà.
Are you okay?
Just got a little dizzy. I can't even take care of myself. How am I supposed to raise a child?
Bah t'as qu'à mourir avec ton enfant.
Bah, tant qu'elle m'en fait.
Now,
I think it's possible.
how do you know?
Well, I'm still here.
I know it's going to be hard, but at the same time, I already feel a little less lonely. Because I know that no matter what happens, I'll get to meet someone new. She's kicking.
Ils ont mis.
Want to listen? That food smells good, huh?
Can I?
She's going to be a runner.
Pleure pas, on sait que t'es moche.
It's not his.
Whose is it then?
Si tu as ton
How
Dieu.
am I supposed to kill him? I don't know what to do. I can't believe I'm asking a little girl for advice.
He won't kill you.
There's my man.
You all right, babe?
I'm fine, big dope.
Tu sais que aussi,
Get some
puissant.
food in you.
C'est
Thanks
des
for
monstres.
staying with us.
Il va te tuer et te transformer en KFC.
En même temps, si le gamin n'est pas noir, c'est sûr qu'elle va pas avoir un peu de doute. Il va avoir un peu de doute. C'est bien, ils ont barricadé l'arrière, mais l'entrée, non, il y a eu les grandes vitrées, alors rien à foutre. Non, comme ça, on a le soleil.
You okay, man?
Moi, tu vois tout ce qui arrive dans la descente, donc ils peuvent toujours se fermer au dernier moment.
Just try to forget about it.
Right here, Clem.
Oh putain, tu dois faire un choix.
De quoi?
Kenny ou tes nouveaux amis? Tintintin. C'est maintenant que tout décide. Bon.
Bah, je vais rester avec eux vu que j'étais avec eux.
Kenny se souviendra que tu l'as lâché. Putain, mais il a le quête de con.
So what's the deal with your friend here?
Yes, we were just talking about this, Kenny. What do you
You
make of
of
it,
it, Clem?
Putain, mais je le connais depuis longtemps.
I trust him.
With your life?
I think so.
On a sauvé la vie plus de 4 fois.
Walter was telling
Et
me
toi?
his dad died.
That's horrible.
Et alors? C'est moi qui l'ai tué.
That guy could be the guy for
Oui,
our
mais pas toi, l'autre.
He lost his whole family.
wife and kid.
He did the best he could.
I'm sure he did.
It was really hard on everyone.
I bet.
Hey there.
Hey.
Hope you
Hope you
like
like the food.
Oh, it's great. Thank you.
Peaches and beans.
Great
Great
for
for nutrition.
Not
Not too great on the way out, though, I tell you. So it's Luke and Nick. Luke and Nick.
You
That
guys
sure do look like a match.
What's
What's that supposed to mean?
I'm
I'm just saying you look like good friends, that's all.
So, what was your plan here? Hold out for the winter?
Actually, we were thinking of moving on. Somewhere up north.
You ever
You ever heard of a place called Wellington?
Wellington? The hell is that?
A
A
place.
place.
Yeah. Krista and I were going there.
Supposed to be a big camp up near Michigan. Michigan?
You
You
got
got a hearing problem, kid?
Yeah,
Michigan. Think about it. Fresh water, lots of land, cold-ass winters so the walkers get slow.
Sounds like bullshit.
Listen, Vanilla Ice, I don't know what your deal is, but you're more than welcome to take off in the morning. That'd be just fine by me. What's the deal with these guys, man? Fuck you, buddy.
It's fine, Nick. We're not staying.
She's staying.
Please, don't fight.
J'ai choisi aucun des clans.
No need for this. Now look, we've all had a long day. Please eat. Pass me that can, Duck. Duck? Who's Duck?
Duck was his son.
Hey, Clementine, would you lend me a hand outside for a moment?
Non, je suis en train de bouffer, putain! Culé.
T'as bouffé 3 bouchées un peu? T'es sérieux, gros?
I'm sorry about that. I used to be a teacher. I remember what it's like to be caught in the middle of two cliques. I suspect they'll find common ground soon enough. It may take time. That's just how these things work. Everything will be fine.
Mais t'as une gueule de gros pédophile violeur, toi, qu'est-ce que tu fais à côté d'une gonzesse?
Listen,
J'ai une gamine.
relationships are like any machine. You don't throw them out when they break down. You get your hands dirty, you grease the wheels.
We're gonna leave in the morning.
No, you gotta stay.
We have to keep moving.
Clementine, in this world, you don't have to do anything.
Ouais, donc je suis obligé de t'écouter,
They
j'ai
say the
le barrage,
world's
je me
over.
barrer.
Si je veux te tuer, je
I'll
peux
tell
le
you a
faire.
secret. It's not. People are more political now than they ever were before. In the end, we can't change them. All we can do is continue to learn from each other, to empathize, and use our heads.
Ok, un zombie! Utilisez ma tête!
Steinbeck. Have you read him? Well, we have plenty of time to catch up on your reading. My partner Matthew is amassing quite the literature collection. I think you'll like him.
Putain, ma vie, ça va être le con qu'on a croisé.
As long as we have our wits about us, we can always make good choices. Right?
Right.
Non, j'ai fait plaisir.
What's the matter,
Je
Clem?
pense qu'il va crever.
Something you want to tell me? You can talk to me. Someone you can talk
I'm worried about them.
La paix et sécurité,
Don't
bonsoir.
worry. Matthew will be back soon. And
Oui.
everything will be fine.
But I think
Hey kids, what are you two talking about?
Ça serait pour aller où? Oui, ça serait où?
Oh, politics. The hell? Well, being from Florida, I would imagine you know
Ah
all
oui, bah,
about
je vais où c'est?
Man, I know one advantage of living in the
Ah oui,
apocalypse.
pas de soucis, je vais où c'est?
That shit. I was just gonna check the windows round back before this storm hits. Give us a hand?
Ouais, ok, parce que le problème c'est que je dois pas avoir le moyen d'accès. Grand extérieur, ok, bah je vais. J'y vais. Bonne soirée.
Miss?
Je vous rappellerai après, au revoir.
please, do you have
Bon bah les gars, je suis désolé, moi je vous laisse, hein.
I saw the
Vous
house.
verrez ça pour une prochaine fois, encore. Je suis encore coupé.
We live down there.
Salut!